going to remove to disassemble and assemble the CPU fan. So as you can see, our CPU fan is surrounded by the power supply cables. So first we're going to unpin them to create space, and then we remove. This CPU of ours is not screwed in place, so we're just going to remove the casing. There, and then we can be able to access our CPU fan. This is our CPU and this is our CPU fan. So to return it back, we just place it in place carefully, then we place back our casing and we make sure it locks. Then after that, we place back the power supply cables to the motherboard. We make sure that our cables are placed well. And then we are going to remove the RAM. So the RAM is enclosed in its RAM slots with these two white pins from both sides. So to remove it, you just flip the pins, just like that. We have our RAM. And then pressing it back, we have to make sure we align it properly. So we are going to place it back. By just placing gently, we lock it back. So we have ensured that all our components are placed well. The next thing we are going to do is to place our casing. We slide it properly, and then we have back our screws. Here they are. And our power supply, our system unit is ready for use.